Hello, welcome to Nature Gamer DIY. Today I'm going to show you how I built this kinematics physics demonstration. What I used to build this was a soda bottle, and this size depends on the pipe, so I'll explain that later. So basically it's a soda bottle, then you drill a hole through here, then you put a tubeless tire valve in there. Then you have your cap where you made a hole in it slightly smaller than this inner lip here that is used to seal the bottle. And you're going to need some kind of candy wrapper that has like a metally shiny plastic on the inside and then it's just normal on the outside. And you're going to cut that out just slightly larger than this. You're going to put it on here and then screw this on. And that's going to be your pressure vessel because this works on air. And then you have your launcher here, which is made out of wood. And for this long piece here, I used, it's 33 inches. Then here it's 23 inches. Here it's 21 inches. So you need to make two of these. Plus this, which is 1.5 feet or 18 inches. So you want to make two of these, one for each side. And then you're going to need these spacers here. It kind of like whatever your choice is, but I just chose 8-inch spacers here made out of wood. All of this is secured with wood screws varying in length. Then here we have our launcher platform. So basically it's a 3-inch ABS pipe, or any pipe really, and it fits the bottle almost perfectly, slightly larger. That's what you kind of want. And then at the back here, if you guys could see, is 2 wooden blocks with screws on the backmost block. And then you have a wire here that is kind of like tied and like turned around this wood screw here. It's like a roofing screw. And then you have elastic running from here over to here. And that's what your spring is pretty much. So, and then I have wood screws holding it in, varying lengths, if I didn't say so already. Then you have wooden dowel here and PVC pipe. Just find a dowel and a PVC pipe that fits well. It's also the pivot here, so dowel and PVC pipe, but the dowel goes all the way to the sides here. You didn't see? And I used epoxy glue to glue the pipes to this wooden plank here. And now I'm going to show you how it works. Step 1 to operating the kinematics demonstration unit. Put on your safety equipment like goggles and maybe earmuffs if you don't like loud noise. Step 2. Open up your bottle cap, put your burst disc here, then screw it on back tightly. Then you're going to unscrew the cap from the tubeless tire valve. Pressurize it to any pressure you want under 80 psi. It is not advised to go over 80 psi because it could get dangerous with much of the equipment, even though it could hold more than it. Especially if you're in a closed room. If you put more pressure, it will go flying around further and could potentially hit someone in the eye or injure them. So this is why you need your safety equipment. Step 3. Angle your launcher. I have many angles set here. So I have a 45-degree angle, 0-degree angle, 90-degree angle, each with a hole in it. And I also have other angles, which are in 11.25 degree increments. So how many angles you have and how much your increment is depends on how many holes you have. So obviously the more holes you have, the smaller the difference will be between the angles. and the bigger, the more the difference will be. So in my case, I have the 45 degree here, then I have the 90 degree here. I have 3 holes between them on either side. So 45 to 0, same amount of holes. 3. Step 4. Place the pressurized water bottle or soda bottle into the neck of the barrel very slowly as to not burst the pressure disc or burst cap. Step 5. Aim the launcher in any direction that you need. Make sure that no one's downrange, and make sure everyone who's observing is behind you in case of possible ricochet to avoid injuries. Step 6. Once you've aimed and ensure that that downrange is clear, pull the firing pin back, aka nail and wire, then sharply and quickly let it go. This will drive the nail forward, puncturing the burst disc, letting the air pressure out, and sending the bottle flying forward. You should find that at about 45 degrees, you will reach the maximum distance possible. You lightly put it in here. Let's not prematurely pull first the seal. There's a firing pin here. You pull it back and then release to fire. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is Nature Gamer DIY, signing out.